I got 5 of these. I figured out how to open these. These are the Greenlite Tire 1 power cord. I'm going to show you guys where I'm putting all these. These are some good stuff, guys. One of them is going right over here. Sorry about this. To our friend's room. Then we're gonna set one up right in here for him. Alright. These are power cords. They should save your stuff if something bad ever happens. Thank God I got some more. Alright, hold on. Let me uncold this. Alright guys, we're gonna turn this on. And then that back on. We should have one more right here. Going to my mom's room. Actually, we got 2 more. Okay, 2 more. Okay, let's put this in here. For my mama. Alright, one more is going over here. I'll be right back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make green beans. Make some green beans, baby. Remember?
I guess I want to order 5. So 5 of the power sets deals. So that is only 5 of them, I guess. So they should be good and set now. Let's get crap out of my damn way. Alright, yeah, that's my power sets unboxing and showing it off. You guys have a nice day.